Regina! Regina! Who is this girl? Regina!
Yes, sis, I'm here.
Wait, come here. How about you go?
Sis, you look so angry. What's wrong have I done again?
Regina.
Yes, sis.
Mom sent for me. Did you disrespect anyone when you got back from school today?
Yes, I did.
Regina.
Yes, sis.
Do you realize you are the last born of this family? Every other person comes before you.
Sis, listen to yourself. Do you realize your statement is not true?
How?
I'm the last born in this family, but my decision stands. You as the first child is seen as the last in this house.
Watch your tongue, girl. Watch your tongue.
Sis, I'm so sorry if I'm beginning to disrespect you in this house, but I'm just trying to clarify things. By doing good, you have lost a place in this house.
Oh, unbelievable. I've warned you, and I will not repeat myself again.
Since you know the truth they said is bitter, sort yourself.
So sorry, man. I was actually... Did that to your family member? You fool! Are you so blind that you couldn't even watch your steps?
I just said I'm sorry.
Idiot! Rubbish.
Oh, sis, just apologize.
I need to stop interfering, you fool! Are you stupid?
Please, slap me!
Move it!
I'm not buying anything.
Regina!
Come back here!
Imagine! Did you see that?
That shouldn't give you enough reason for you to raise your hands on her. And you know Mom won't be happy if he hears this.
Good afternoon.
Oh, you are hooked up to the talking girl? So, how was the flat?
I'm just listening, so it's nothing to me.
Really?
Come on, get out of this place.
Me too, I'm not buying anything.
Nonsense.
No,
What? What?
Are you sure Regina is not giving it out? Imelda,
And what?
are you sure Regina is not giving it out? Because I don't need stories.
Whatever. By now, you guys should know what Regina is capable of doing. By now, I know she is there to apologize to her. So, calm down, okay? Okay. Excuse me, but I'm not the cause of it.
Alright, for your sake, I'll forgive your sister. What's the name?
Oh, my name is Regina. What about you?
I'm James.
Mom, I don't like the way they are treating me. It's very bad. I don't like it.
I'm sorry, my baby.
Emelda! Emelda! Come here. Madam Emelda, how dare you raise your filthy hands on my daughter here? How dare you?
I don't get it, Mama. We know your children as well.
Oh, you're answering the question. You're answering the question. How dare you? Let this be the first and last time you ever do such in this house. Have you heard me? Because next time you do it, I'll skin you alive. Rubbish. You know my baby. Come, let's go. Let me go and take care of you. I told you, the outcome won't be funny.
Rita, what is it that I heard from the kids?
What did you hear? What did you hear that gave you the guts to call me by my name? You couldn't even call me honey, darling, sweetheart. It's Rita. Rita, what did you hear?
I've been observing you. You heard half of the kids and loved the other half.
See who is talking. So you want to tell me that you love all your kids equally? You want to tell me that you love them the same? Please, don't disturb me. Useless man.
You called Chief Williams a useless man who took you from somewhere, brushed you up, made you to become somebody. You are calling me a useless man.
Listen, I may have been a nobody when you married me, but I brushed myself up. I went to school and today I have a master's degree. What do you have? What educational qualifications do you have? You're just lucky to have made money. So don't just go there. Rubbish.
Can you listen to yourself when you talk? Try to listen to yourself when you speak. You're a disappointment to motherhood.
And you're a blessing to fatherhood.
Say it again.
Say
it again.
You think it's just to come and drop money and travel all over the whole world, carry small girls about. You think I don't know? You are putting the blame all on me.
Call yourself a small girl. Call yourself to small girls. Talk about yourself to small girls.
See how stupid and useless you sound. You are a small boy.
Just wait until you taste these people's meal. You're gonna enjoy it. Yes.
See you. So you know of this place. You've been taking me to those restaurants out there.
Ah, my dear. A friend of mine brought me here last week to eat. Just wait.
Tell me, say I hear you, they come, they chop, they clean mouth without me. You, babe, I don't trust you again.
Don't mind me, don't mind me. Nancy. What's going on? You no longer stay in your house.
Babe, please, allow us have our fun in peace. I don't want to talk about this. Please.
It's okay. I don't mean to provoke you.
It's okay, my love. I miss you.
I miss you too, darling.
Hey, baby, you they come here, they chop. But you, it's too bad. Huh?
I will tell you that mama.
Wizard, you are too bad. You are too bad, Wizard.
I know they follow me, they plug, Patana. You follow me, plug, but you lose.
Bose. This why your face be like this, waiting the sub. Wow. Bose. I'm good. Things.
I want baby like that too.
I no understand. Now, babe, put you for this kind condition, Bose.
Okay, shut up. Not a joke. As you see me like this, I did flight mode.
Sorry, Bose.
It won't be your problem.
Bose, I no understand. Who be this Delilah when they put you for this kind condition?
Okay, shut up. I'm not joking. As you see me like this, I did flight mode.
I'm sorry, Bose.
I dey talk something with you seriously. They tell me nonsense.
But Bose, who be that babe?
Now she's William's daughter, Nancy.
Yes.
That's the girl I'm talking about. That's the girl. Kevo, since when I know you, who are on the run parole with you, I never see you run any Erima or talk to Sheni Shima way for your hand. Why not clear this mama how they be you, how you they feel for her? I dey sure say last, the babe got lie.